Hello guys, my name is Mr. Charles Aquino. Now let's play Grand Theft Auto 3. Nag-update na naman yung page. Let's get started. So louder. Options. Controls. Invert loop, left-handed. Accelerometer. Alright. Display. Time shadows. Visual effects. Alright guys, let's get started. Load game. The exchange. Yeah. Yes. Yo! Oh yeah! I'm in hospital. Ah, the door is locked. Super lag. Yeah, it's locked. Alright. Oh, Patriot. Hey, Patriot, come here. Hey, Patriot, I love you. I have feelings for you. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah. It's GTA Chinatown for now. Oh, what the heck. Oh. My car is... my car destroyed. Oh, aray. Teka. Ewan na po. Aray. Ayoko gawin to. Ay, nako. Kakainis naman to. Dali. Yan. Ako na nga. Kakabisit naman to. Minsan na nga lang dumating dito magmumukmok pa. Minsan na nga lang sa akin, magmumukmok pa. Yes! It's not locked. Oh boy, ba? Yeah. Let's escape the police. Yeah. Oh, flying woman. I'm gonna be the very best. Ako to si Superman. Yeah. Oh, bribe. Oh, yeah. Let's buy. Oh, hey you, what are you doing here? He died. Let's buy a gun and ammunition. Just give me a gun, bitch. Ammunition. Thanks for gun, bitches. Hey, what are you doing? Makikiraan po. Aray. Akala mo pulis ako aray. Bastos. May taglay ka rin kabastusan no? May taglay ka rin kabastusan ha? May taglay ka kabastusan ha? Di mo alam pulis ako. Ano? Ha? Ambulansya pang dumating. Aray. Dulas ng daan. We're gonna be the very best. Let's still go. Magnakaw tayo ng kotse. Yeah. Magnakaw tayo ng kotse. Yeah, 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 yeah. They shooting me. Oy, oy, oy. Oh. Nasagasaan ng pulis. Ay, nasagasaan ang pulis. Oh, it's Kalahan Bridge. Yeah. Get out of my way, bitch. Oh, no, 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 no. Pupunta ako sa airport. Yeah. Manggugulo ako sa airport. Yeah. Oh, bus. Oh, no, oh, no, oh, no. Psh. Oh. Patay ko kaya. Pupunta tayong San Andreas. Ay, di pala nakakapunta to sa San Andreas. San Andreas, San Andreas. GTA 3 to, hindi to San Andreas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wrong way. Wrong way. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so slick. Sama tayo sa pag-akyat ng bridge nito. Sama tayo sa pag-akyat ng bridge nito. Oh, hindi siya umakyat. Oh, what's that? Face. Pop 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 poker face. Na. Yeah, get out of my way. Oh. Drift. Yeah. Drift. Yeah. Brief. No. Oh, taxi. 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 Oh, taxi. Taxi. Saan pupunta nyo? Doon sa terminal. Oh, yeah. Terminal. Terminal. Oh, terminal daw. Terminal. Psh, uy. Oh, pop. Sa terminal daw to. Sa terminal. Ano ba? Terminal na to. Terminal 3 nga lang. Oh, Sentinel. Let's steal that. Ops. Sige, babasagin ko to. Umalis ka dyan. Ano, gusto mo mapahamak ha? Ay, nako. Nabasag na. Nabasag na naman. Oh, limousine. Let's steal this Infernus. Ayun na yung sentinel ko. Wala akong pake kahit sinong makakuha niyan. Kahit makita ako ng pulis. Yeah. Wala akong pake sa inyo. Lumayas kayo dito. Kung hindi, papatayin ko kayo. Belleville Prague na ako. Oh yeah. Oy. Nabangga na nga yung sentinel ko. Pati ito, pababangga ko pa. Asan na lang kayo? Pababangga ko na to. Oh yeah. Trip to Jensen. Oh yeah. Trip to Jensen. Oh yeah. Ay. Oh, police chasing me. Idiotic police. Idiot police. Idiot police. Ay. Oh, it's a flatbed. And GTA 3 is best. I'm gonna be very best. Yeah. Mike! Hello. I'm dead. Ching. I have no armor for now. Oh! Esperanto. Let's steal that Esperanto. yeah. Let's go. Let's kill some man. Let's kill some humans. You want? Bye, beats. Oh yeah. Rock and roll. Oh yeah. Rock and roll. Ayun na. Oh. Ayoko na. Ayun na. Ito, parking lot. Tara, mag-park na tayo. Sama ko na itong bakal. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and drop a like to my videos. And bye. Part 2 ko na lang itutuloy ito.